Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello students, so in this video I am going to start exercise 5.1. Now one thing I have to tell you that before you going to watching this video, please go through the theory part of the complex number. Okay, there will be two videos. The link of the theory part will be in the description box. Then it will be more easier to understand the problems. Okay, and then there will be no confusion. So please watch the theory part first and then going to solve this kind of problems. So here in sum number 1, very short answer objective questions, that is evaluate the following. So here the first one is root minus 9 into root minus 4. As you know that root minus 9 means 9 into minus 1, and here root minus 1 that equal to iota or I. So here it will be root 9i and then root 4i. So that equal to 3i into 2i, that equal to 6i square or iota square. You know that I square equal to minus 1, so that equal to 6 into minus 1, that equal to minus 6. Next one, root over minus 9 minus 4, it becomes plus 36, and root over 36 that equal to 6. Next, root over minus 25 into root 16. Minus 25 means it becomes 5i, as root minus 1 equal to I means iota, and root 16 that equal to 4, so it becomes 20i. Then 3 into root 16 root minus 25, so 3 into 4 iota into 5 iota, that equal to 60i square, that equal to minus 60. Next, the last one, root 16 plus 3 root 25 plus 3 root minus 36 minus root over minus 6 to 5. So that equal to 4i, that equal to 5i, so 5i into 3, and next one equal to 6i, and last one is equal to minus 25i. So here 4i plus 6i 10i, that equal to 15i minus 25i, and that equal to 0. Now the next one, sum number 2. Here if z equal to minus 3 minus I, then find the real part of this complex number and first the imaginary part of the complex number. So as you know, here the real part will be minus 3 and the imaginary part that equal to the coefficient of iota. So here the coefficient of iota is minus 1. Next you have to find out z bar, that means the conjugate of the complex number. So here the conjugate will be minus 3 plus I. Okay, you have to change the sign before I to find out the conjugate. And next one is mod z. So the formula of the mod z is root over here x, if that one will be x plus iy. Okay, if the complex number equal to x plus iy, then mod z will be root over x square plus y square. As here x means minus 3, y means minus 1. So minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, that equal to root 10. Now sum number 3. Here z square equal to minus I, then it is true for z equal to plus minus I minus 1 minus I by root 2. So as z square equal to minus I, then z will be plus minus root over minus I. Now you can write this minus I in this form, minus 2 into I by 2, then 2 will be cancelled out and you will get back your previous one. So now here you can adjust 1 minus 1 and here minus 2i. So now 1 means I square and minus 1 you can replace minus 1 as I square, because iota square that equal to minus 1. So now the upper one will be the formula of 1 minus I whole square. ओके यहाँ पर मुझे 1 माइनस आई होल स्क्वायर लाना था, इसीलिए मैंने ये वाला यहाँ पर एडजस्ट किया है. ओके, सो नाउ ऊपर वाला का स्क्वायर होगा तो सिर्फ रह जाएगा 1 माइनस आई, और नीचे का स्क्वायर रूट होगा तो रूट 2 रह जाएगा. सो प्लस माइनस 1 माइनस आई बाई रूट 2 इज योर आंसर. नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 4. हियर जेड स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 3 प्लस 4i. ओके, and then it's true for z equal to plus minus 1 plus 2i. So इसको मुझे एक होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मेट में लाना है. minus 3 that equal to 1 minus 4 plus 4i. अब यहाँ पर 1 का मतलब 1 स्क्वायर और -4 जो था, -4 को मैंने चेंज करके 2i स्क्वायर कर दिया। ओके, क्योंकि 2i का अगर होल स्क्वायर करेंगे तो यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा 4i स्क्वायर, और i स्क्वायर का मतलब -1 होता है, दैट मीन्स -4। And the last one will be 2 into 2i into 1. So that will be the formula of 1 plus 2i whole square. So z equal to root over 1 plus 2i whole square, and that equal to plus minus 1 plus 2i, and it's proved. Sum number 5, I equal to root over minus 1. Now in the left hand side, x plus 1 plus I, x plus 1 minus I, and you have to prove that this one equal to this one. So if you multiply these two, here you will get x square plus x plus x plus 1 plus I minus ix minus I square. So ix cancel out, I cancel out. Now here x square, x plus x 2x, here 1, and I square. I square means -1, as here minus, so minus minus plus, so it will be plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 2, and it's proved. Next, sum number 6. Sum number 6, find the real values of x and y. So as here 2y plus 3x minus y iota, that equal to 5 minus 2y. Then by comparing both sides, here 2y equal to 5, then y equal to 5 by 2. Very easy. Next one, 3x minus y, that equal to -2. Just put down the value of y here. So 3x equal to -2 plus 5 by 2, then from that x equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, sum number 3, 3y minus 2 plus iota 7 minus 2x, that equal to 0. Okay, that means this portion will be 0 and this one also 0, because you can write down 0 as 0 plus 0 dot iota. Okay, so now 3y minus 2, that equal to 0, so y equal to 2 by 3, 7 minus 2x, that equal to 0, so x equal to 7 by 2. Next, sum number 7, if x, y belongs to real number and 5y minus 2 plus I 3x minus y, that equal to 3 minus 7i, then find the value of x and y. So as same as the previous one, here 5y minus 2 is equal to with 3, then y equal to 1, and here 3x minus y is equal to -7, so from that x equal to -2. Here you have to just put down the value of y here. Next, sum number 8 and 9 are similar kind of problem, so I hope you can solve it. So now sum number 10. In sum number 10, for any complex number z, prove that real z, okay, real z equal to z plus z bar by 2, and imaginary z equal to z minus z bar by 2i. So that means first you have to take two complex number. So here one complex number. So here the first complex number, that equal to z equal to x plus iy. You have to let this one. So if the complex number equal to x plus iy, then definitely the conjugate of the complex number, it will be x minus iy. I hope you know that. Now if you cancel out or eliminate the imaginary part, then you have to add these two equations, because first time you have to find out the real z. So real z means only x will be there. Okay, that means you have to eliminate y. So if you add these two equations, then you will get in the left hand side z plus z bar, that equal to 2x. So x equal to z plus z bar by 2, and then real z equal to this one. Now next thing, you have to find out the imaginary part, then you have to eliminate x part. So that means you have to subtract this equation from the previous one. Then z minus z bar, that equal to 2iy. So y equal to z minus z bar by 2i. So imaginary part equal to this one, and it's proved. Now sum number 11 is as same as sum number 10 second part. So I hope you can solve it. Now sum number 12. Express the following complex number in the standard form, that is a plus ib. Okay, in the standard form a plus ib. So 12 1 minus 5i 1 by 8i, so it will be minus 5 by 8 I square. As you know that I square means -1, so -1 it becomes positive, so 5 by 8. So if you express this one into a plus ib form, so it will be 5 by 8 plus I dot 0. That means iota into 0. Okay, now the next one, number 2, 5i minus 3 by 5i, so it will be minus 3i square. I square means minus 1, so it will be again plus 3, then 3 plus I dot 0. Next 13, 1 minus I minus minus 1 plus 6i. So if you open the bracket, 1 minus I plus 1 minus 6i, so it will be 2 minus 7y. Okay, and that is in a plus ib form. That means here a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 7, or you can also write in this way, 2 plus I minus 7. Next one, here 1 by 5 plus iota 2 by 5 minus 4 plus iota 5 by 2. Okay, so that means 1 by 5 minus 4, this is the real part, and if I will be common, so it becomes 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. So minus 19 by 5 minus 21 by 10 iota is the a plus iv form. Next, sum number 14, minus 2 plus 3i plus 3 into this one minus 2i. So open the bracket, minus 2 plus 3i, then multiply 3 with this one, minus 3 by 2i plus 3, and the last one will be minus 2i. So now here minus 2 plus 3, 1, 3i minus 2i I, and then minus 3 by 2 iota. So 1 plus, if I will be common, 1 minus 3 by 2. So it becomes 1 minus iota by 2. Next, 7 plus 5 iota, 7 minus 5 iota. So it will be a square minus b square formula, a square minus I5 whole square. So it will be 49 minus 25 whole square. Now I square means minus 1. So 49 plus 25, that equal to 74. So 74 plus iota dot 0 is your answer. Now sum number 15, minus root 3 plus root over minus 2, 2 root 3 minus iota. So minus root 3, and as this one root over minus 2, it will be root 2i. So if you multiply this one, then minus 6 plus 2 root 6i plus root 3i minus root 2i square. As you know that I square means what? Minus 1. So it will be plus root 2. Then minus 6 plus root 2, that means the real part will be here. And if root 3 iota is common, so it becomes 1 plus 2 root 2. Next, number 2, minus 5 plus 3 iota whole square. So here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This one 25, this one 9i square minus 30i. Now I square means minus 1, so 25 minus 9, that equal to 16 minus 30i. Next, sum number 16, 1 by 2 plus 2 iota whole cube. So a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So 1 by 8 plus 8i cube plus 3i 1 plus 2i. Now as you know that I cube means minus I. Okay, I cube means minus I. So it will be 1 by 8 minus 8i plus 3 by 2i plus 6i square. Okay. So 1 by 8. Now I square means what? I square means minus 1. Okay. So 1 by 8 minus 6. And if I will be common, it becomes minus 8 plus 3 by 2. So 1 by 8 minus 6, that equal to minus 47 by 8. And here it will be minus 8 plus 3 by 2, that equal to minus 13. 13 by 2i. Okay. Now sum number 16(2) is as same as the previous one, so you can solve it. So now sum number 17(2). In sum number 17(2), root 5 plus 7i root over 5 minus 7i whole square. So first one will be as same, and second one you can apply here a minus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So root 5 plus 7i, here 5 minus 49 minus 14 root 5i. So next root 5 plus 7i, here minus 44 minus 14 root 5i. Now you have to multiply these two numbers. So minus 44 root 5 minus 14 into 5i minus 308i. Okay, minus 308i, and the last one will be 98 root 5i square. Now next minus 44i, as here I square, so it will be plus 98 root 5 because I square means minus 1. So minus 44 root 5 plus 98 root 5, and that one will be minus 378 because here 14 into 5 and here 308. So final answer will be 54 root 5 minus 378i. Next, sum number 18. I to the power 99. So I to the power 99, you can represent this one I to the power 98 into I to the power 1. Okay, or only I, you can write down. So now 98 means I square to the power 49 because 49 into 2, that becomes 98 into I. So I square means minus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power 49. And as 49 is an odd number, so if the power is an odd number, then negative will be there. If the power is an even number, then the negative will be changed into positive number. So that is equal to minus 1 into I. So minus 1 into I minus I. So 0 minus I is the form. Okay, because you have to represent this one as A plus IB form. So 0 minus I. Next, I to the power minus 35. So it will be 1 by I to the power 35. Then separate 35 as I to the power 34 into I. So 34 means I square into 17. Then I square means minus 1. Again, it's an odd number. So it will be minus 1. Minus 1 into I minus I. So here 0 minus 1 by I. Okay. Or you can also multiply this one I with up and down. Then upper one will be I and lower one will be I square. And as I square equal to no, you know that minus 1. So it will be positive. So your answer will be 0 plus I. Okay. You can also write down 0 plus I whenever you multiply I with up and down. Next, sum number 19. Here minus root minus 4 whole cube. So root minus 4, that equal to root 4i. Now whole cube. So now root 4 means 2i. So minus 2i whole cube. Then 2 का cube होता है minus 8 और I का I cube. You know that I cube equal to minus 1. So यहाँ से पहले एक माइनस था. So माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया. यहाँ पर लिख दो I cube equal to minus 1. Okay. So now 8i, then 0 plus 8i is the form. Next to I plus I square plus I cube plus I4. So I square means minus 1, I cube means minus I, and I to the power 4. I to the power 4 means I square whole square. So that equal to 1. So I cancel out. Minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. So your answer will be 0 plus 0i. Now the last one, sum number 20. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. Or you can also visit our website for the others chapter. The link will be in the description box. So here in sum number 20, find the value of this one. So here the first one minus 1 plus as minus 3 root. So it will be root 3i whole square. Plus again this one will be minus 1 minus root 3i whole square. So first here you can apply the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Again you can apply the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, it will be minus 2ab because both are in negative. So it will be plus. So now this portion will be cancelled out because here is a minus and here is all the plus. So same value but opposite sign. Now 1 square, here also 1 square. So 1 and 1. And this one will be minus 3 minus 3. So your final answer is minus 4.